Now let us discuss a problem in replacement theory. So in the category of replacement of items whose maintenance cost increases with the time and the money value is constant. And let me read out the problem statement. A firm is thinking of replacing a particular machine whose cost price is rupees 12,200. The scrap value of the machine is rupees 200. The maintenance costs are found to be as follows. The maintenance cost of the machine in each year is given in the table, and we have to find out when the firm should get the machine replaced. So we have to find out the age of the machine that has to be replaced by a new one. So look at the problem statement. The cost price is given. So the cost price is sometimes called as purchasing cost. So it is rupees 12,200 and the scrap value is just 200 rupees and the maintenance cost of every year is given. So the cost price and the scrap value are constant, but the maintenance cost is getting increasing with respect to time. So this problem comes under the category of increasing maintenance cost with a constant scrap value. So come to the solution part of the problem. Make a table like this. So in the first column, so year. So for the first year, we are going to operate the three values, cost. The second column, so this is maintenance cost. So maintenance cost for the first year is just 220 rupees. The cumulative maintenance cost is same 220 rupees. Capital cost is constant as I said earlier, that is 12,200. The scrap value is also constant, that is 200. The total cost equal to addition of cumulative maintenance cost and the capital cost. So from the value, so subtract the scrap cost, because the capital and the maintenance cost are invested on the machine and the scrap cost or the scrap value is written from the machine. So if you want to find out the total cost or net cost, so we have to add the investment amount, and from the investment amount we have to subtract the return amount or revenue. So T equal to C plus summation of UT minus F. So C is the capital cost, summation of UT is the cumulative maintenance cost, and S is the scrap value. So C equal to 12,200 plus cumulative maintenance cost is just 220. The scrap value is 200. So the total cost is 12,220 rupees. The average cost G equal to T by Y. It means total cost divided by that particular year. So the total cost will be 12,220 divided by 1. So which is equal to same 12,220. So in this way we are going to proceed this problem. So for second year the maintenance cost is 500 rupees and cumulative maintenance cost will be this 500 plus this 220. So totally 720 rupees. As we know that the capital cost is constant and the scrap value is also constant, the total cost is addition of these two value, and from these two value subtract the scrap value. So the total cost for the second year is 12,720 and the average cost equal to 12,720 divided by 2, which is equal to 6360. For third year, the maintenance cost is 800 rupees. Cumulative maintenance means 800 plus 720, that is 1520. The capital cost is constant and the scrap value is also constant. The total cost will be 13,520 and the average cost is 4506.77. So for fourth year, the maintenance cost is 1200 rupees and the cumulative maintenance cost equal to 2720 and capital cost is 12,200 and scrap value is just 200. The total cost will be 14,720 and the average cost is 3,680. For fifth year, the maintenance cost is 1,800 and the cumulative maintenance cost equal to 4,520 and the capital cost is same and the scrap value 200. The total cost is 16,520 and average cost is 3,304. For sixth year, the maintenance cost is 2,500 rupees. The cumulative maintenance cost equal to 7,020 and the capital cost, scrap value put as it is and the total cost equal to 19,020 and the average cost is 3,170. So seventh year, the maintenance cost 3,200 and the cumulative maintenance cost will be 10,220. Capital cost same as it is, scrap value is also same and the total cost is 22,220 and average cost 3,174. And for the eighth year, so the maintenance cost will be 4,000 and the cumulative maintenance cost will be 14,220 and the capital cost 12,200, scrap value just 200. The total cost will be 26,220 and the average cost is 3,277.5 rupees. So look at the table, look at the columns maintenance cost and the average cost. Look at these two columns only. So in the first year, the maintenance cost is very less and the average cost is 12,220. So in the second year, the maintenance cost will be 500 and the average cost will be 6,360 and for third year the maintenance cost will be 800 and average cost will be 4,506 rupees. So proceed as it is. For the fifth year, the maintenance cost is 3,304. So for the sixth year, the maintenance cost is 2,500 and the average cost is 3,170. So up to this sixth year, so compare the maintenance cost and average cost. So up to sixth year, the maintenance cost is less than the average cost. You can check it out up to sixth year. If we go to the seventh year, the maintenance cost is 3,200 rupees. So this is the transition situation. See, at the end of sixth year, the average cost is 3,170, but in the seventh year, the maintenance cost is 3,200. So in this case, the maintenance cost is more than that of the average cost in the previous year. So at the end of sixth year, the average cost is 3,170 but the seventh year, for maintenance alone, it consumes 3,200 rupees. So it is not desirable to continue with the same machine after sixth year. So because the maintenance cost will be getting increased. So it is not desirable or advisable to continue the same machine even um, after the sixth year. So we have to replace the machine after the sixth year. So the conclusion is the machine has to be replaced after sixth year. So it is advisable has to be replaced after sixth year. So this is the solution for the problem. So if you go for the seventh year with the same machine, the maintenance cost only will getting increase. So this is not profitable to us. So in order to make profitable or economic situation in the firm, so we have to replace the machine at the end of sixth year. So this is the solution for the given problem. Thank you.